Hey everyone, this is Richard Noto, Realtor, Home Inspector, Notary in Winter Garden, Florida. And I am at Windermere Isles. Oops, excuse me, truck is coming fast. Gotta get out of the road. Okay, so we're looking at a home from Beazer Homes. And you can see from the porch there's plenty of space. Plenty of seating space, so let's go inside. The model is something that's for sale if you're interested. And the price range is currently in the 700s. Okay, so I just want to give you a little showing of your entrance as though you're looking at it while I'm still at the front door. So we're going to go off here to the left, and you can see they made this into a bedroom. You know, that's the thing with these homes, is sometimes it's a bedroom, sometimes it's a flex room, sometimes it's a dining room, which is typically always the front room when you first walk in, to your left or to your right. Has a very nice size walk-in closet. And you have a nice bathroom. And here's your toilet. And you got a standard tub shower. And the home here has a lot of upgrades, okay? You know, the furniture is not going to come with it, but things that are attached, such as you have surround sound speakers sitting here in the living room. First, I want to show you your closet under the stairs. You can see up in the ceiling, the speakers. Hopefully I'm pointing at the right thing. It's hard to see in the viewer. So that's always a thing to consider when you're purchasing a model home, is that you always have to ask what's going to come with it. Typically the furniture though isn't going to come with it. They're just going to ship it off to the next model home in another community somewhere. But things that are attached to the walls typically do come with it. So we're not going to start tearing down cabinets and stuff like that. That just doesn't happen. And the home has a really nice pool. I'm not going to open the sliding door because I tend to have issues with sliding doors. I don't want to potentially getting stuck, but there is a table under the water. Hopefully that shows. There's a table. Okay, so you got a nice sized kitchen. And the home, this home is also the sales office, so and here's your pantry. Okay, so let's head up these stairs and check out the second floor. Okay, so I'm not fully up the stairs. Just wanted to give you a quick sweep of how it looks. I'm about 2 steps down. I am 6 foot, so the camera's about head level with me as well. Okay, so I'm gonna step up here. And we're gonna go right, so here's your steps. So right up at the top of the stairs. Very nice sized bedroom. Again, you got speakers up in the ceiling. The speakers up in the ceiling are a very nice feature because let's just say this is your bedroom, just to put this into perspective. If you wanted to turn this into a bit of a TV room as well, you got 2 height speakers for your Dolby Atmos surround or your DTSX. You could probably stick a TV right in here. And when you put the TV in there, you could just get some other speakers for up in the corners or something like that. And put some speakers up in the rear corners, and you're good. Or if you're not as into that sort of thing, you know, you do have, you know, nice 2 speakers up in the ceiling for music. Very convenient. You know, it's nice to have music playing everywhere in the home. Especially if you're the type that, you know, you're getting ready or you're doing something, or, you know, you go from room to room. This is a very big walk-in closet. It's a step-in closet, by the way. And you got plenty of space up top for some extras. Okay, this shower is, wow, is this shower big? I'm going to get to that in a second. The shower is the length of the bathroom, and I know it's not going to show so well in the video, but you got this nice open section just to step in. You have a rain shower head, and you got one of those, whatever they call these things again. Like the handheld one. You got a nice section for your soap. Okay, let's head out of the bathroom. I don't know if I got this. I think I did. There's another shot of it for you. It's a big walk-in closet, so you do have 2. That's connected to this master up on the 2nd floor. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely stay right. And again, you got speakers up in your ceiling. I mean, this setup right here is ready to go. You just add a sub. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got 7 speakers up in the ceiling. You know, add a sub, maybe if you want to do some surround backs, however you want to set it up. And here's another master. This is a small one. You know, you have a single sink, and you got your standard tub. We did this closet already. And give you another view of this den TV room that they have set up. Yeah, that's nice too, because you don't have to worry about somebody cutting in and running wires and cutting holes in your walls. It's done already. You get somebody that comes in and starts cutting, you know, they could crack the drywall, and then they got to run the wires, and they're gonna make all the holes, and so, yeah. Sounds like the air conditioning is back here. Ooh, that's a big unit. Wow. Okay, so you got 3 shelves over here in your washroom. Okay, so I'm gonna head right over here just because the camera's pointed that way. You have another bedroom, excellent. Wow, it's very classic marble. Look at that. And excuse me, just to show you the roof, you can see there's a section of the roof is metal, and the top section is asphalt shingles. That's a combination, and you know, that's something that, you know, you see on and off. So from that bedroom, we have a double sink and a shower combination. Behind that, here's another closet. And if you are interested in this model, please do contact me first. I do offer incentives, so you'll get something extra in addition to whatever the home builder, which is Beazer, may be offering at the time. This community is almost sold out, so there's only a few left for the next 2 months or so. There's about six vacant lots. Well, not vacant, excuse me, the homes are being built on or finished. Okay. So I just walked across again. And here's your view down. So with that said, if I could help you in your purchase or sale, please do contact me. I am no pressure sales. I do believe that the home will sell you and not me. No one should ever be pressured to buy. Also, I do offer incentives, and unlike the sales team that works for the home builder in the home builder's office, or the listing agent that works for the resale seller, I do work for you with your best interest in mind. And my services are essentially free because the home builder or the resale home seller pays them. So for you, it's basically a win-win situation. And thank you for watching this video. If I could help you out, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you again.